In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient overlay to an image in Wix. If you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your website with a smooth, professional overlay effect on your images, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up the Wix Studio Editor and navigate to the specific page where you'd like to apply this effect. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right workspace because it will make the rest of the process smoother. Now, on this page, find the section that contains the image you wish to overlay. Selecting the correct section is crucial because applying the overlay elsewhere might not give you the desired results. Once you've selected the section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Wix editor, where you'll see the Inspector panel. This panel is your gateway to customizing the elements on your web page. Think of it as your toolbox, filled with options to tailor your website to your unique vision. Go ahead and open this panel. Within the Inspector panel, you'll find various options to tweak the design elements of your section. Navigate to the Design tab, and from there, look specifically for the background settings. It's important to verify here that your image is indeed applied as the background. If it's already set, you're on the right track. If not, make sure to apply your desired image before moving forward. Once you confirm the image is in place, look for an option that mentions Overlay or Background Overlay. This is the key function we'll be using to add that beautiful gradient effect. You may find both a color overlay option as well as a gradient overlay option. For today's tutorial, we're interested in the gradient overlay, as it can add depth and dimension, transforming a simple image into something that's visually striking. Choosing a gradient overlay will typically present you with a selection of gradient styles and color options. Take your time to explore these choices. Each gradient can bring a different mood or tone to your design, so it's worth experimenting to see which one best matches the aesthetic of your site. You'll also have the option to adjust the intensity and angle of the gradient, allowing fine-tuning until it perfectly complements your image and overall design. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can add a stunning gradient overlay to any image on your Wix site, enhancing your design and capturing the attention of your audience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to take your website visuals to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.